People tell me I'm such a cheerful and positive person all the time. I try to be, and at my core, I really am a positive thinking and upbeat kind of woman. But to be really honest with you, I struggle with anxiety and depression. I used to think it was seasonal affective disorder, spending the first 20 years of my life in Canada. But I've been in Florida now for most of my adult life, and our seasons are so subtle, our sunlight so plentiful. So what is it? Something chemical, hormonal, environmental, circumstantial, hereditary? All of the above? Probably. There's something interesting about the language we use to describe anxiety and depression in English. In English, we say we are depressed, we are hungry, we are tired, we are our moods. As if the mood embodies us and we become nothing else but that. So I am the hunger. I am the depression. In French, though, we say we have depression, we have anxiety, we have hunger, we have tiredness, as if to say we are separate from our feelings and moods. They are things we may own temporarily, but they don't possess us. This feels really relevant to me, and I've made a point to never say that I am depressed or that I am anxious. I try to use language to separate my identity from the things I'm experiencing. And today, I feel depressed and anxious, frankly. I don't feel like a potter. I'm not a potter. I just make pottery. I'm not an artist, even though I may create art. But isn't art even the shit that I do? And why do I even do it? Because I must. I learned that creating heals. When I sit quietly and push and pull on that clay on the wheel, all the chaos in my head settles down. It may take a few minutes or even hours, but eventually the tightness lets go. Sometimes I don't have it in me to work on big projects, so I find something small, something I can hold in my hand and work on quietly. Whatever it is, I try my best to just get up and create anyways, even if I don't feel inspired. It can be so hard to find the motivation to make art when I feel horrible. But I do it anyways. I am the naked potter.